Unlock never-ending creativity and fun with the Pastry Plug DIY Deco Kits. There's over 10 different craft kits to choose from. Here's a closer look at our Polaroid Magnet DIY Deco Kit. This kit has everything you need to decorate a magnet frame with cute charms, fake frosting, and a manual. Just add some sprinkles and you're done. It's perfect for your favorite photo or trading card. Place it inside once it dries and you have an adorable handmade fake cake frame. Craft night just got a whole lot sweeter. So cute! Experience possibilities with unlimited imagination with these DIY Deco Kits.
As seen on IG, decorate your own fake cake creations with DIY Deco Kits. Visit www.pastryplug.com.